Well, what would I say? It's a movie worth watching for by direct style, yeah.
Amazing experience.
Ini-expect ko naman talaga na maganda to kasi Kim Je to eh. First pang kilig, comedy, yan, heartwarming.
Banda talaga natawa ko ng tawa, tapos bandang gulo, kinilig naman ako. Perfect!
Mahaba ba talaga yung haligang? Mahaba talaga mahaba.
Tatawa ka, lahat na yung brand. Anong pelikula ni Direct Gary Gary?
Manood po kayo talaga.
Last po pa din po, nakabahan.
Solid, nakakatawa. Number one.
Napakaganda. So, tawa ko ng tawa lang sa kanta. Grabe.
Hashtag soulmate now show. Panoorin niyo ang soulmate and Cinema Station.
Panoorin niyo po ang pelikula.
Ano kayong ganda?
Hashtag Soulmate now showing, guys.
Soulmate now showing.
Soulmate now showing. Soulmate is now showing. Soulmate now showing.
Huwag niyong palagpasin at talagang panoorin niyo itong Soulmate na pelikula ni